In case it sounded like a good idea to throw your credit card in the microwave for 5 seconds to disable the RFID chip, let me show you what happens when you do that. Here's what the microwave looks like. Some scorch marks, created a lot of smoke, and quite a light show as well. Let's get some light on these guys. Here's the cards. You can see it really scorched where the RFID chip was and melted this huge portion of the card here. Burned that. Oops. It burns the residual metal left over from the hole punched card. It scorches it, it burns it. It's just not a good way to go. If you're gonna do anything, disable the chip with a punch like this, or something other than tossing it in the microwave, because you will end up needing a new card.